Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, I would like to thank everyone who has taken the time to come to present the results of our paper with the title is Implementation of Inclusive Education for Children with Deaf Special Needs in Elementary Schools. Let me introduce the group members on this occasion. The first of the group leaders, it's me, it's Aldi Tri Ramadan, and the members is Ahmad Jaunar Arifin, Intan Putri Rahmania, and the last is Vera Dewi Nazarina. To open the material, this time I invite Intan to start the presentation. To Intan, this time it's yours.
Thanks for the time's introduction. Education has a crucial role in helping individuals develop their talents and potentials. Mustika and Ginting, 2023. According to Camille and Hibana, 2023, education is the assistance provided by teachers to students to provide opportunities for them to solve problems encountered during learning independently. Methodology. The research method in preparing this article is to use the literature study method, research library. Literature study is a method of collecting data or materials to find accurate information to achieve research objectives.
The majority of research that has been conducted use as descriptive qualitative approach. The first from Azahra and Mustika, 20 and 23, the learning process for deaf students at STIP YLPI Pekanbaru includes planning, implementation, and evaluation similar to regular students but faces challenges with the time, communication, and emotions. The second, for Fatri et al., 20 and 24, inclusive education for deaf students at SDN 30 Palembang is supported by the roles of teachers, peers, and parents to create an inclusive environment and foster academic growth. The third, from Rahmawati et al., 20 and 23, SD Ibnu Sina Bandung, enhance inclusive education for deaf students through training and support from all parties, although limited facilities remain unchallenged. The fourth, from Aladas and Rahmayanti 20 and 24, Arabic alphabet learning for deaf students using language and cards as effective tools, with the evaluation showing progress in letter recognition. And the last, from Agustin 20 and 19, SDN Dahur, Tuban, implants inclusive education for deaf students through identification, assessment, and curriculum adaptative despite limited facilities and resources.
In the next, research and discussion. First, implementation of inclusive education for deaf children in elementary school. Inclusive education for deaf students in Indonesian primary school includes structure, planning, implementation, and evaluation. With lesson plans adjusted to each child needs, deaf students join regular classroom activities supported by an accompanying teacher and are assessed by the same minimum completion criteria as their peers. And second, barriers to the implementation of inclusive education for deaf children in primary schools. Inclusive education for deaf students in primary schools is hindered by limited time for specialist lesson planning, communication barriers, lack of emotional management skills, insufficient facilities, and low parental support. Stronger collaboration among schools, teachers, and parents is essential to improve educational outcomes for deaf students. And the last one, evaluation of the implementation of inclusive education for deaf children in elementary school. Improving inclusive education for deaf students requires more time and resources for individualized lesson planning, teacher training, adaptive teaching methods, and flexible assessments. Schools should provide supportive facilities, and stronger collaboration with parents is essential to create a fully inclusive learning environment.
Okay, the next. Based on the explanation present, it can be concluded that the implementation of inclusive education for children with special needs who are deaf in elementary school is very important to pay attention to. The implementation of inclusive education for deaf children in Indonesian primary school includes structure planning, implementation, and evaluation stages. Inclusive education for deaf children in Indonesia primary school involves planning, developing a syllabus and lesson plans tailored through an individual adjustment program, IAP, joint learning with regular students, and evaluation based on minimum completion criteria. Barriers includes limited time for specialized planning, communication challenges, and emotional issue which can be addressed through improved facility, teacher training, and stronger collaboration with collaboration between school and parents. Thank you.
Okay, I thank you for all who have attended. If there is any mistake, we apologize profusely. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.